Hey, good morning guys. Happy Thursday. Welcome back to the channel. It's Jimmy Trades here. Thank you for tuning in. If it's your first time here, please sub to the channel. Please like the video guys, and also turn on that notification icon so you know when I'm going to drop a vid. Also, please share the channel far and wide as we continue to grow, targeting 1,000 subs by the end of January. That's our target. So we need your help to push the channel far and wide. So if you like the content, please share the channel far and wide. Okay. What do we got? What do we got? Let's move on over to the calendar. So we have unemployment claims today. So we've got 8:30 news at unemployment claims, which is great. I like the 8:30 news drop. Means we can start hunting. So if you're looking to take a position, for me, I wait till 8:30 and I'll wait till this news drops. I think we also have oil inventories today as well. Yes, we do. Inventories is not till 11 a.m. So if you're trading oil, if you're in a position prior to, I would certainly look to close that position before news drops at 11. Okay. All right, let's head over to the charts. While we're getting started here, just a reminder, guys, Apex 90% off sale is still active. I think there is, let me just check now. There's only a number of hours left. So it's less than 24 hours, it's 17 hours left, okay, to grab 90% off. So load up on those evals. It's $16.70 for pretty much all their evals at the moment, up to 300K. Is $16.70. So definitely great value right now. So jump onto those Apex accounts. Make sure to use code Jimmy, of course, whenever you're purchasing your evals from Apex or My Funded Futures. You'll always get the best deal. All right, and a reminder too that there has been a price increase for My Funded Futures, but they are running a special at the moment till the end of January, where you can get 40% off the Starter Plus 50K eval, and that's for first time users, or you can get 20% off the Starter Plus 50K eval for existing members. Again, 40% off for first time users and 20% off for existing members for the 50K Starter Plus account using code Jimmy, of course. Go and check it out at My Funded Futures. Rightio, let's go and have a look at the charts now. So having a look here at NQ. We're on the daily time frame, and I have been looking for price to run lower. This has been my draw, moving from this internal level, looking for price to reach external. We had the swing point candle closure inside the previous candle, giving us insight that price might move lower, and we have in fact done that. We've continued to expand lower over the last several days. What I'm noting here and what I'm looking for is if we are going to continue lower, I wanted to see price respecting this level. Okay. We've got the opposing candle range here, so we're looking at the open of the opposing candle. Price has come up. It's actually tested that level. Right, so what I'll be looking for is that to be respected for price to continue lower. I'm going to remain bearish for NQ. Let's have a quick look at the hourly. Okay, we're looking at possible change in the state of delivery here with displacement. So we might even move it down to this level here. We do have displacement here as well. Low, high, lower, low. Displacement. So looking at this as our change in the state of delivery. We want to see this level respected. If price moves lower, we want to see price bounce from here to continue higher, or price continues through and we might see this level then used as resistance. If price is going to move higher, then this would be the manipulation leg, and you would see our -2 to 2.5 aligns with this low resistance liquidity here. Still brings us up into a bearish FEG, so that is plausible what we're looking at here. When there's no bearish points of interest through this run here either. So that's something to keep an eye on. You know, whereas here, you know, price ran up into a bearish FEG like it did here. We don't have that in this leg. All right, so this is plausible. That would be the bullish scenario. If price runs lower, then as I said, we want to see price disrespect this change in the state of delivery, this level here, before continuing to push lower. Let's move over to ES. And of course, guys, at any time, drop a comment into the video and I'd be more than happy to respond back to that. I quite appreciate the engagement. When we ask questions, it also helps with future content. So please feel free to drop any comments on the video. So on the daily for ES, similar scenario to NQ, we're looking for this low to be taken. So we can see with NQ price, you know, we closed below the opposing candles here. Price on ES is not respecting this level where it is on NQ. We have bearish point of interest up here. So we might possibly move higher. And off this wick, we can see we've respected the 50% level. If we continue to respect this level, then I'll remain, I'll probably start to switch my bias, but at the moment I'm going to remain bearish, still looking for this low to be taken. So look at the hourly. change in the state of delivery, displacement in the leg. We've got displacement here and here. Again, this will be the level I'm looking for price to respect if we do continue to move higher. If we run our standard deviations, this would be our target region, right up into these bearish FEGs. And again, low resistance liquidity. On the other side of price, we've got high resistance liquidity through here. So that's a bullish scenario there for ES. If we're going to move lower, then we'll come through this level, disrespecting the change in the state of delivery, and continue to the lows. All right, over to oil now. On the daily, here we go. Nice run higher here for oil. So we've seen what we were looking for our target was we were looking for price to run higher. Also fill the remainder of this FEG. So although price is located inside a bearish point of interest on the daily, we've moved through with displacement. So we've moved through to this level with displacement. We've got a breakaway gap here, another FEG here. Price is moving higher. So I won't be flipping my bias just yet to bearish. I want to see how price reacts at this level. You know, we do have this imbalance up here as well as an area of interest. So remaining bullish at the moment for the daily. And in this scenario, I'd be looking for a change in the state of delivery, a bearish change in the state of delivery, to start looking for shorts or changing my bias to bearish. And you can see the move we're having here. Again, respecting bullish PD arrays, we've continued to do that this whole move higher. Okay. Looking from the low to the high, we've now extended past the -4. So we'll be keeping an eye on this. I even run the deviations from here. You can see in this manipulation leg into point of interest. Have some target areas here as well. And then if we close beyond this level, I'll be looking for an extension to the -4, and that's this daily imbalance, this box here. Okay, so remaining bullish on oil. Moving out to the daily, let's have a look at Euro futures. So Euro futures, we didn't actually get the reversal we were looking for after sweeping these lows. Price has moved lower today. What have we got on this side? Okay, so we're inside a bullish FEG right now on the daily. And it looks like we've reacted from the midpoint, right to the tick, basically. So we'll be watching this. We are at a bullish POI. So we've swept the lows. We're inside a bullish FEG. And unlike oil, we are getting a reaction here. So oil was, obviously in a bullish into a bearish PDRA, but is showing strength in the move. Whereas we don't have that here on the daily for 6E. We're getting a reaction to this level. And we don't have the displacement in the leg either that that CL had. So I'm going to switch to a bullish bias. And we'll have a quick look at the hourly. So as we're reacting off this level, we want to see a change in the state of delivery. Potentially something like this. Or if price does just continue to move higher, then we'd look for potentially this level here for price to displace through. If this is the manipulation leg, then we can run our standard deviations from here, low to the high, and have a look for our target area. And that aligns nicely with this low resistance liquidity as well. That's running through here. So it's still not bullish on the hourly just yet. We are still respecting these bearish PD arrays. And until we get a confirmed change in the state of delivery, then we're still in bearish structure, bearish order flow on the hourly. Let's have a look at gold on the daily. We'll move out to the daily. Okay, so we're at a swing high right now on the daily, and we're getting a nice reaction to that level as well. We'll be looking for price to maybe turn around here. So we'll leave that bearish idea there. You can see the breaker here, the hourly breaker, is supporting price higher. And we're still seeing bullish PD arrays lifting those prices as well. So as we react to this level, we want to see a bearish change in the state of delivery, or a swing candle closure where the swing candle closes back inside the range of the previous candle. Just some indication or insight to order flow that might show that we're shifting bearish. Over to Dixie on the daily. Continuing our move higher for Dixie. I'm going to keep the same idea, keep this bullish idea in place for Dixie. GBP. We're looking for price to reverse here. That hasn't happened. It's quite a strong move lower here at the moment. We're at a bullish POI. Currently at a bullish POI. And we do have this bullish FEG just a little bit lower. So we'll run with a bearish bias, and we'll see how price reacts to this current level. And if we push into this bullish FVG, that'll be an area where we'll be watching price to see if we get a reversal. We look at BTC. Let's clear that chart up. Okay, so we're looking for this level to see how price would react here. We're actually getting a nice move through. We have a bearish FVG. I was looking for price to get to around the 89s. We didn't quite get there. So as price moves high here, this will be the area I'll be looking for to see how price reacts. And it's also, if we look at the range of these opposing candles, we're at the 50% level of the range there. So we're keeping an eye on this level to see how we react. But moving to a bullish bias. So we're moving from external to internal basically. So we've swept these lows, moving to internal. All right guys, going to wrap it up there. Thanks for tuning in today. As I've said, please sub to the channel, please like the video and turn on that notification icon. Share the channel far and wide. Greatly appreciate all your support. Leave a comment and I'll happily get back to you. And remember, code Jimmy for your Apex and My Funded Futures evals. Apex on sale for 90% off. Starter Plus account, 40% off for new users, 20% off for existing users at My Funded Futures. Have a great Thursday, guys, and we'll see you later. Bye for now.